Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Ulefone Note 8P to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. Then open it. And now we have to wait for this one to download. Choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then choose receive on an Android and send on Ulefone. Now click on all of those dots, RMS click, and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go only with this one photo, choose send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit, and as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into My Files or some kind of files manager app, choose in my case images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!